Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys a quick way to fry the red snapper. I've previously showed you guys on my channel how to prep and marinate this and also how to make a fish stew out of it. So I figured I would show a quick way to fry this. It's very simple. What you're gonna need is some flour to fry it with. You're also gonna need either a deep fryer or a pot. I'm going with my pot. You also need some oil. So the first thing we're going to do is put a pot on our stove at medium-high heat, let it turn on, and then we're going to add our fish to our flour here. Now I did not add any seasoning to my flour simply because my fish is already seasoning. On the prep video I showed you guys how I achieved that, so I'll put that link in the description box for you guys. So all you have to do is put some flour in there. Once your oil is hot, go ahead and add it in. Okay, so once the fish is in, go ahead and let it fry for like 3 minutes aside. It is so quick and easy. And then I have my paper towel here ready to go, and that's my daughter adding the flour to the next fish. But that's about it really. So you turn that over to the other side and you're gonna let that fry for about 3 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 minutes now, so we're gonna go ahead and take our fish out of the pot and let it sit on that napkin on the side right there. Then we're just gonna add the remainder pieces in our pot and let it fry 3 minutes aside. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy, simple to make. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what else you could do with the fish. Like I said, you can make a stew out of it. You can fry it. You can even bake it. You can even put it on the grill. As long as you know how to prep it and you know marinate it right, you can make as many different dishes as you want. So I just wanted to give you guys some ideas on what you can do with this, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribing button. Until next time, guys, thanks again for watching. Bye.